Hi there! Again, this is Mai and welcome back to my channel. Guys, thank you so much for watching my first video wherein we have discussed about the parts of the abacus. And I'm here again to share with you on how we can handle the abacus using the correct finger. Let me show you how. Okay, so let me start with my left hand. This is for you to hold the abacus on the left side of it. So the abacus is steady. Whenever you move beads like this, it will not move away. Okay? So you saw me cleared the abacus by placing the right thumb and the pointer finger on top of the divider to clear the abacus. That's how we put the abacus in zero position. All right, now I'm done with my left hand, and let me talk about the right hand on how to move the beads. Now, remember, we always have to focus in the middle where the ones place value is at. Now, let me start with my right thumb and then my pointer finger. The rest of the fingers on my right hand are just make them relax, okay? So right thumb is for us to move lower beads up. 2, 3, 4 on the tens place. 10, 20, 30, 40. That's the right thumb, and that means you have also performed addition. And for you to move these lower beads down, you have to use your right pointer finger like this. And in that way, you are doing subtraction. So right thumb is for you to add or move lower beads up. Right pointer finger is for you to take away lower beads down, or simply you're doing subtraction as well. Okay? Now, let me not forget the upper beads, wherein these are the ones or the fives that are above the separator or divider. So we also use our right pointer finger in moving the fives. That's how you add the 5 and take away the 5. Same goes on the tens place. That's the 50 and take away the 50. So that's the correct finger to use. But again, you have your way in moving the beads on where you are comfortable, but this is simply how you can really use your fingers in moving the beads. Okay, so it's better if you will get used to it. So that's actually how we move the beads. So if you remember the 5 and 1 together, that's 6. The upper bead and the lower beads, if you actually put them together, that makes the value of 6, 7, 8, and 9, right? Same goes to the tens place. Now you can either move them together like this, 7, 8, 9, or some do this, 5 and 1 to make 6, 5 and 2 to make 7, and so on and so forth. But again, we can always move the beads together whenever you are comfortable. That also the same thing on the tens place. The 50 and 10, that makes 60, 70, 80, and 90. All right? So that's how we actually move the beads using our right hand and left hand. Now let me review some reading of the value of the beads, if you can remember. Let's say, for example, I have here this and this. If your answer is 28, that's correct. Guys, we're reading from left to right, okay? Now, let's have another example. I have here this and this. If your answer is 74, that is correct. Another one. If you have this and this, if your answer is 16, that is correct. One more. If I have this and this, if your answer is 58, that is correct. All right, so that's how you Handle the Abacus. Guys, thank you so much for those who have watched my video on parts of the abacus. I appreciate that. And for those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe or the bell button, and I would love to hear from you. If you do have some comments or suggestions, please do so, and I would love to answer some questions, and I'm also welcoming some suggestions. Please do so. Again, thank you for watching my channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video on this lesson, and I'll be uploading some more lessons as well. Thank you so much, and while on quarantine, kindly enjoy the lesson. You have a wonderful day. Please take care.